In this question, we need to find the value of x, and here is the equation that we have. We do it simply using the x1 and tilde, and we will learn how to do it. Here is 3. Then you do the parentheses. For x1, we put 1 after the x, minus 5. Then you close your parentheses, and plus 2, open the parentheses, 2, 11 minus 2x1, as we agreed, is equal to 43. We don't use equal here, we use the tilde. We do it shift and the button under the escape button on the keyboard. You get the answer is 4.5, as you see to the far left right here.